Hello, in this lesson you are going to learn how to make custom paper sizes. To start, click on your print icon here or just Control P for print. This should open your plot model window. Now to start, and for the purpose of this demo, we are going to use PDF. Go to Printer or Plotter under Name, click on the drag down arrow, click on DWG to PDF. Now, I want to make an 8.5 by 13 paper size. That's the long bond paper size used in the Philippines. Unfortunately, it's not that common in the US. They have legal size, which is 8.5 by 14. So let's look for that here. You can't really find it because I've tried. It's not available. So what do we do? It's time to make your custom paper size. Click on Properties. This should open the plotter configuration editor window for DWG to PDF. Now, under user-defined paper sizes, click on custom paper sizes. You may start working on a previous file or on this one. This is what I previously made. But for this demo, just click on add. You may start editing from an existing file or start from scratch. Click on start from scratch. Click on next. Now I want to make again 8.5 by 13. So I should change the units to inches and then change the width. That's 8.5 by 13. Now you can basically see the preview right beside it. Next. Now I normally place everything. I don't place borders, so I just change this to 0 so I won't have any problems with plotting on scale. Click on next. And then for this demo, let's just change this to demo. Demo, that's it. So that's 8.5 by 13 inches. Click on next and then finish. And then just click on OK. Now, the next time you click on your drag down arrow, you should be able to find your 8.5 by 13 inches here. That's it. It's that simple. So this is also really good if you want to make 20 by 30 paper sizes for building permit application drawings, because that's usually what's required for construction drawings and any other paper sizes that are not available in the default settings. Okay. So again, depending on the printer or the plotter, this would change. Also, it depends on the printer you've installed. There could be different paper sizes available. Okay, that's it.